Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to connect Wi-Fi using QR code in laptop or PC. Chapter 1. How to connect my PC to Wi-Fi with QR code using camera. To get started, open the Windows Store. There look for Wi-Fi QR code scanner app. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Select the app and click Get to install it on Windows. Now click on the network icon to see the available Wi-Fi networks in range. After this, click on the Start menu, then click on All Apps and there open the app that you have installed. Now you are going to grant permission to access the camera. With your camera, scan the QR code. You will see that when detected, the name of the network will be displayed with its respective security settings. In the box that appears, click the Connect button and the device will automatically connect to that network. Click on the network icon to check this. Chapter 2. How to connect my PC to Wi-Fi with QR code without camera. It is possible that we do not have a camera to do this. In this case, we recommend taking a photo of the QR code of the device and then storing it locally on the PC. Then click on the Start menu and then click on All Apps. There open the application that you have installed. Click on the Open QR Image tab. Solvetic advises you to cut only the QR code to make it easier to recognize. After that, click on Open Image File and select the image. When it loads, you will see that the name of the network is displayed. In the window, click Connect and validate that the connection to that Wi-Fi network has been established. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.